Dumelang landlord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, today it is Uma Khumalo's birthday. Girl is turning 37. Ngithi, she is beautiful. She is a flawless. She posted beautiful pictures on Instagram. Please help me wish Uma Khumalo a happy birthday. Now, I went to the comments. I'm going to read you a few because I want this video to be as short as possible. Please leave a comment that says happy birthday, Make. Umbali says, are you applying to be a 2K yini? Mosquito. Any umuhle njani yam? Like, she's so beautiful, guys. She's wearing, like, you can see what she's wearing, right? And I think in her house where she's standing, like, it's just flawless. Girl, like, is taking the most beautiful pictures in her own space that she created, that she made sure that the art is arting. Like, I'm so happy for her. Like, Miss Ambition, also, Annie, umwishele a happy birthday. Like, Uputi Komo also wished Uma Khumalo a happy birthday. Like, everybody is giving her love. Like, at this time when I'm recording this, Girl has about 379 comments on Instagram just wishing her a happy birthday. Esihle Siwela said, Wamuhle kodwa mntanomuntu we baby. Washaya South African flag. Uzenzeni. Yo guys, Uma Khumalo is beautiful. Uma Khumalo is hot. Uma Khumalo is the girl that she thinks she is. And Girl is enjoying her birthday and slaying properly. Like, like, most of the comments are emojis, those fire emojis, you see them, right? Saying Uguti, like, this is how beautiful you are. Like, like, I'm so happy for Uma Khumalo. I'm so happy that Girl is enjoying her birthday. I'm so happy that Girl agana stress. But I went a page in Liga Tata, Liga Bwabwa Khona. Akapostanga a happy birthday to Uma Khumalo specifically. Umusamseleku just posted a picture of the four wives saying, we salute you for leading the way. And that's it. I don't see any message for Uma Khumalo. Nothing. I'm so worried. I'm like, how? Pela, I'm expecting something. Like, you must say something. Like, Melu Khulume, you must say something. But the only message that is there is that one that I'm telling you about, yokuthi girl kunje. So Tina, ngoba siyazi ukuthi siyamthanda uMake, simfisele. Nompilo also posted Uma Khumalo wishing her a happy birthday. So far, from the children, I only saw Ugello saying happy birthday, but maybe the others said happy birthday to their mom in private. With that said, happy birthday, Uma Khumalo. Ukhule ulingane no Disebo D. This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.